children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject in term 3, lesson 2, life of animals. Now let us see the topic, structure of insects. In previous class we have learned about adaptation in animals. Okay children, let us see the topic, structure of insects. Insects have 3 main body regions. Insects have 3 main body regions. They are head, thorax, abdomen. What are the parts of the body in the insects? First one, head. Second one, thorax. Thorax, thorax. Then third one, abdomen. Let us see the brief about in the parts of the insects.
Let us see the topic, structure of insects. This is the structure of insects. Insects have 3 main body regions. They are head, thorax and the abdomen. All parts of the insects are inside an exoskeleton. The first one, head, thorax and abdomen. Head. This is the main visible parts of the head are the large compound eyes, the antennae and the mouth parts. Head is the main visible parts of the large compound eyes and antennae, that means feelers, and the mouth parts. Second one, thorax. The thorax is the middle region of the body. It bears 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Thorax is the middle region of the body. It bears 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Third one, abdomen. The abdomen is the last part of the insect body. Abdomen of most of the insects have clear segmentation. Third one, abdomen. Abdomen is the last part of the insect body. Abdomen of most of the insects have clear segmentation. Insects have differences in structures like wings, legs, antennae and mouth parts. The legs are modified for walking, jumping, digging or swimming. Most of the insects have wings, which has been folded flat over their body. These are the examples for folded flat over their body on the insects. Once again, most of the insects have wings, which can be folded flat over their body. Example, bug. Some insects which cannot fold their wings. For example, dragonfly. There are some insects which cannot fold their wings. For example, dragonfly. Some insects are wingless. Some insects are wingless. For example, silverfish. The compound eyes of insects are made up of small units called ommatidia. The compound eyes of insects are made up of small units. It is known as ommatida.
This is one of the examples for butterfly, the body parts. Butterfly has 3 body parts like all other insects.
head, thorax and abdomen. So the butterfly has 4 wings and 6 legs. The butterfly uses its 2 antennae to smell. The butterfly has a super senses. The first point, we have 5 senses. We can see, touch, taste, smell and hear. Animals also use their senses to learn about the world. Animal senses do not always work like our senses. These are the main features of the butterfly. One activity is given. Butterfly has 3 body parts like all other insects. Dash, the dash and the dash. The butterfly has 4 dash and 6 legs attached to the thorax. Butterfly uses its 2 dash to smell. Students, answer is given. The first one head, second one thorax, third one abdomen, fourth one wings, then fifth one antennae. So the answer is the butterfly has 3 body parts like all other insects. The head, the thorax and the abdomen. The butterfly has 4 wings and 6 legs attached to the thorax. Butterfly uses its 2 antennae to smell. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.